Hello from the Jim Dolanch Team at Century 21 Frontier Realty. Now that spring is in the air, I want to take this opportunity to personally invite you to our annual charity event to benefit Easter Seals, Western and Central Pennsylvania. This year, our annual Claybird Classic will be held at Nemacolin Woodlands Resort in Farmington, Pennsylvania. The fun-filled day will include a 100-target charity shoot, eye and ear protection, carts, shotguns, trapper fees, and a buffet luncheon. For more information about the charity shoot, feel free to check out our Facebook event, log on to our website at www.jimdolanch.com, or call us at 724-941-8680. We look forward to your participation and seeing you at Nemacolin.